Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this video let us discuss about certain OET test day information. Now what would actually happen on the test day is something which would create anxiety and fear in the case of the students. So the proper preparation for an examination usually happens or usually take place much before. Therefore, the student needs to check their email in which the timetable would be provided, which would contain the specific times for specific subtest and also the test venue or the test center where you're required to go. Second thing is you need to carry along with yourself the proper ID proof which you have used to register for the examination in order to avoid any kind of mishappenings. Third thing is along with your ID proof you can also carry some selected stationery like the non-mechanical pens and pencils, then erasers, pencil sharpeners and transparent water bottle. Now once you are into the test room, you are required to direct yourself towards the particular place which you are provided. And there will be a clock in the test room to which you can refer the time. And also before the commencement of the examination, the invigilator would read out certain rules and regulations or instructions which you need to hear properly. So that is very, very important. And next thing is there are certain things which are not allowed into the test room or which you cannot take into the test room. They are like all kind of digital devices like mobile phones or maybe your personal wallets or bags or maybe a transparent kind of a correction fluid or highlighters and so on, or any kind of analogs. But instead there will be a separate bag room which will be provided where you can keep all your belongings, where you can store all your belongings. But you need to keep in your mind that the officials would not be responsible if any of your belongings would get damaged or it will be lost. So these were some of the general information you need to keep in your mind before your OET test day or the day you are going to appear for your examination. So I hope that you will remember these things and I hope it was useful as well as informative